Hey students, are you tired of getting stuck on textbook problems and wasting hours trying to solve them? Today I'm going to show you a secret website that gives you free step-by-step solutions for thousands of university textbooks. Trust me, once you know this, you'll never struggle with homework the same way again. The website is called Litsolutions.org. It's 100% free and super easy to use. When you open the site, you'll see a simple page with a search box and a huge list of textbooks. Just type your book name, author, or subject into the search box. For example, let's search for Rosen K. Discrete Mathematics, one of the most popular math books used in universities worldwide. Once you find your book, click on it to open the books page. Inside the book page, you'll see two drop-down menus. The first one lets you select the chapter, and the second one lets you select the problem number from that chapter. Let's try it out. I'll select Chapter 1, then choose Problem 6 from the list. Now just click on the button that says Generate Solution Link. In a second, a clickable link will appear. Click that link, and boom, you'll get a clear step-by-step solution to the problem. If the image looks blurry, click on Original Size or hit Download to get a high-quality version. You can even save it to study later. And that's it. You just got a complete, worked-out solution in seconds, totally free. This site works for math, engineering, physics, chemistry, and many more subjects. Basically, any textbook they have listed. If you can't find your book, check if there's another edition listed, or use the request option on the site to ask them to add it. So next time you get stuck on homework, don't stress. Just go to litsolutions.org, search your textbook, pick your problem, and get the step-by-step solution you need. If this tip helped you, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome student hacks. Awesome.